drawn to me. Go on, admit it. Like little moths to the light. Lay it on over.
We gotta shut him down to shut him up. Otherwise, we'll never be free.
If you don't, too bad. You can't shut me off any more than you can the billboards, or the branding on your clothes, the flyers that litter the streets, or the sound bites that clog the air. I've planted 3 bombs.
Anarky's right, you know. Cops don't care about us. We'd be better off without them. But you already knew that, didn't you?
I see something moving over there.
afterwards, with the cops all gone.
Most of them are so crooked we'll be safer without them.
But someone's gotta keep the peace.
Not someone. Everyone.
Why won't you join us? There's some change. Let's get on it!
I ain't got much left.
Interesting. Even after knowing all you did about the places I targeted, you spared them.
Sorry to disappoint you.
Disappoint me? Not at all. Come on down to the courthouse so we can continue Gotham's trial.
I've planted 3 bombs where Gotham's corruption is at its strong...
That's right, keep moving. This can't be real!
That's public property you're destroying. Crawling around in vents like a common rat. How expected. I bet steering that thing requires a whole lot of concentration. Oops! Sorry about that! Oh, that poor door. You really should apologize. But how did... I was sure you'd fail. No one is this lucky.
You need to stop this.
Stop what? Cleaning up the streets? Ensuring the GCPD actually does its job? Removing corruption from the system? Was it one of those in particular you took issue with, or all of them?
You're using the data you've stolen to blackmail people.
So, it gets the job done. And it's certainly kinder than the beatings you're so fond of doling out. Think on that.
I've planted 3 bombs where Gotham...
Holy crap! You seeing this? We got a problem. Break all his bones! You're ready to stop! Too freaky! Please!
Enigma's extortion data. Where is it?
If I tell you, you'll let me go?
Talk.
Okay. They're close by. I'll show you where.
I've planted 3...
I'm gonna pawn that cake. We can't beat that. I'm gonna fight. This is hopeless. You just want to give...
I'm so glad you came. It's an honor, really. There's so much for us to discuss.
What do you want?
I'd like to propose an alliance. I think the two of us could accomplish great things together.
I don't work with criminals. You need to turn yourself in.
Tell you what, I'll turn myself in as soon as you do the same. But you don't consider yourself a criminal, do you? The suit, the gadgets, the sense of entitlement. You're just another rich kid atoning for his fiscal sins. Such a shame.
Why won't you join us? We ain't living like this no more! Somebody wanted to make a difference! What do you think he's got in his belt?
It's up to you. I just wanted to be you. That's why they say you can never meet your heroes.
It's over.
Not quite.
You're a monster! You'll burn for what you've done! The revolution is here! You got what we want! We stand you! I won't let you ruin this!
They own you then? Don't get it. We're on the same side here. Come closer. Be enlightened.
What is this thing?
I asked for discourse and you respond.
I like being...
You're just a kid.
So, what does it matter? I wanted to make a difference. I thought you'd feel the same.
I do, but not like this. A lot of innocent people almost died tonight because of you.
Innocent? They watched as Gotham went to hell and didn't do a thing!
They're just afraid.
No, they're weak! And so are you.
The police are on their way.
You ever wonder how things got to be so bad here? I do. All the time. See, I don't think men like Roman Sionis or Oswald Cobblepot are responsible. They're just a reflection of our apathy, our greed, our fear. We look the other way when things turn sour, bury ourselves in our jobs, consume propaganda masquerading as entertainment. The message is always the same. Don't think, don't question. And what becomes of a society that's given up? It rots. Fills up with liars, cheaters, and thugs. Uptown and downtown. The suit in the penthouse is no better than the guy selling drugs in the corner. They're both doing whatever it takes to get ahead. Never mind the cost. Fidelity. Once upon a time, that's what defines society. People coming together in pursuit of common cause. To care for each other.